making some DIY fidgets. So what we're gonna need is some paint of whichever color you'd like, some water, some clear tape, some colors, and the last thing we're going to need is a little bag and some paper. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to cut it out. So I just finished cutting and I cut outside and inside. Okay, I cut it back out and I colored it all around. And I made some like bubbles for bubble tea. I made the front a little more detailed with spots and put bubble tea. Now, because my bubble tea is mango, I'm just gonna put a little drop of yellow paint. Little mango bubble tea looks pretty real. So now remember the little bag, so now I'm gonna put it in the little baggie really carefully. So I secured them at the back with tape, and now I'm gonna secure them together with some tape, the back and the front. Now we're gonna put all the tape on. So I'm putting some bubbles before I cover it all with tape. This is how my two examples came out. The first one is this tiny little one, it's the big straw, and it's a little bigger. So you can put this one on your keychain. Here's my bubble tea. I got 2 fidgets so far. Now we're gonna make a poppet. Next we're gonna be doing a little turtle simple dim. I'm gonna use scrap pieces of paper and a marble. I drew a turtle for my simple dimple. Now I'm gonna cut it out. I cut my turtle out and I'm gonna need 2 more pieces of it. So now I'm gonna cut it out. So this is my poppet piece, and make sure it's bigger than your hole. So it's gotta be bigger than your hole. We're gonna heat it up with the flat iron, and then we're gonna put the marble in nice and quick. My mom's gonna help me with this piece because you need adult supervision and help. And then we're gonna put the marble in. So now we got to put the marble in nice and quick. And give it straight and hold it. Put the head and the 2 bodies together. So So my foam is sticky, so I'm gonna take the tap that stops it from sticky and I'm gonna put the little pop down. And it will be a real simple dimple. There we go. And I'm gonna put the other side. Go. Now it's time for some details. There we go. And this is how my simple dimple is. These are all the fidgets I made today. Stay tuned for more videos.